Now I will, refer to another thought of yours, which, again, of course, I cannot fully get the scientific details, although it's a more philosophical point, when you emphasize, together with some others, as far as I know, that I don't know, I will try to be as clear as possible, that it's not that we have natural, eternal laws, and then we apply these laws to matter, that laws, natural laws themselves evolve almost in a Darwinian way.
Yes. Such an idea.
Is this in any way related? Please, I am now looking from you for a good Stalinist brutal advice. Do you know that the Dutch guy, I think he's Dutch, Thomas Hertog, with T, who wrote a book? It's a little bit pretentious because he refers to Stephen Hawking, with whom he was as an assistant in the last years.
Yes, I know it is.
That much, yeah. And his idea is that whatever was at the beginning, Big Bang or some primordial confusion or what, that at that point it was an open process and it wasn't predestined by any meta-legality which laws will prevail, which laws of nature.
Yes, so I haven't read him, but I've listened to parts of him. What I really think is that he's on the beginning of a long track and needs to go a lot further before he has to be able to face what we call the meta-laws dilemma and smile, which Rupert Unger taught me how to do. And sorry if that sounds a little mysterious, but basically, let me say just to show names around. Do you know who Jaron Lanier is?
Sorry?
Do you know who Jaron Lanier is?
Yeah, I heard the name.
Okay, we're also very good friends. And what Jaron is doing, his battle in computer science to keep computer science about living things that we make and play with, is very analogous to my fight in physics, to keep physics a game that we have fun playing with. I don't know if that makes sense, but...
Nope.
So we have some papers with Jaron in which we're bringing back this idea that I published a long time ago, that there might be a way to bridge between natural things that are evolving and making new laws as they evolve, and artificial things. But we're just at the beginning of this. But Jaron is working with some very bright young people now at Microsoft. And by the way, if you haven't met him, please meet him.